Same thing with homosexuality, by the way. Homosexuality, which in today's politically correct world, we have parades for them. We honor them. According to Hashem, it's not that they just deserve karet and all these punishments, but in Hashem's eyes, it's the same thing as bestiality. What's bestiality? Being with an animal. Man with a man is the same thing as man with a donkey. How do we know? Every time in the Torah mentions homosexuality, mentions bestiality, same thing, same punishment, same exact thing right next to each other. In Hashem's eyes, it's not nice. You could have desires, but doesn't mean you have to act upon them. Yes, some people are born a little off, they have desires. I understand. I don't buy everybody's story, but nonetheless, let's say somebody, let's just give him kaf zchut and say, they have desires for the same sex, or she has desires for the same sex. Fine. Doesn't mean you have to act upon it. Somebody has a desire to kill. Does that mean they have to kill? As a matter of fact, each one of you is created with a certain desire. There are certain people that have a desire for blood. A lot of them, many, millions and millions of people have a desire for blood. But they have a choice. They can either become a murderer, or a butcher, or a surgeon. All three see blood, and they're fine with it. It's your choice. Same desire, but you can use it in multiple places. I wouldn't recommend the murder, by the way. If anyone was thinking, the second two with the right answer. Most Jews prefer the third. The doctor makes more money. So, actually with kosher meat, maybe not, I don't know. So,
you've just experienced another Torah class brought to you by TorahAnytime.com.